In the past week or so, the team behind Anthropic or Claude Code has released so many new banger updates that have been basically the exact rivals to what Openclaw's been doing for the past like 4 months. That it's kind of got me thinking, it's like, do you really need Openclaw anymore? Is there really a point of hosting an Openclaw? Is there really a point of buying the Mac Mini or anything like that to do Openclaw stuff? When now Claude Cowork, which is just a regular old app on your Mac, which is so much easier to download and set up and install and blah, 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 does now 90% of the same things. No joke. Like over the past week, I was in New York watching these things happen, and I'm like, why do I have two Mac Minis sitting over there? I can replace them totally with just two Claude Coworks. So you just need Claude Cowork, and it can do basically 80% of the things, that Openclaw was so novel at doing. It's got me thinking. I wanted to make this video to kind of discuss that. So with like clients, people that I know in real life, I was always like trying to send them my video on how to set up Openclaw, and they would take like 9 hours to do it. And even now for me, it takes like 3-4 hours to do that correctly. And now with this, it takes 5 minutes and you don't need to do anything crazy. It's just Claude Cowork and it works. So I can actually finally like honestly say, if anybody ever asks me, I just tell them now, it's like, dude, you don't need Openclaw. Just use Claude Cowork. It is like 80%, 90% the same thing, and you get all the same benefits. And like, why is that? It's because in the past week or so, Claude has been dropping stuff like this. Like right now, 2 hours ago, you can officially add to Discord and Telegram and now iMessage your ability to talk to Claude. So like, that was the whole point of Openclaw. Openclaw was so crazy that you can text it and talk to it on Discord as if it was a human being. But now you can do that already innately with Claude. So it's like, okay, that's gone. So now you have channels. That's the number one thing that Claude has introduced, the ability to talk to your Claude from channels. And then number two, Claude Cowork now has scheduled tasks. Scheduled tasks for most people is what makes it autonomous. You can have a scheduled task at 2 a.m., 3 a.m., 4 a.m., 5 a.m., any other time to do any sort of thing, like create an entire website, outreach to people, check your Gmail, check your invoices, go to accounting, whatever it is that you want it to do. Scheduled tasks is the thing that makes it autonomous for most people. Number three, the biggest thing is computer. They just released last week that Claude can now innately control everything on your Mac. And that was like the biggest, most novel selling point of Openclaw, the ability to control the entire computer. But now you can do that innately with Claude. So it's like, do you really need, to go through that whole thing with Openclaw? And those three things alone, aside from like the other few things that have come out, it's kind of like, why would you put yourself through the hell of Openclaw if you can just download Claude Cowork and you can use it from your phone? You can tell it to control stuff from your computer from your phone. You can now iMessage it. You can do automated tasks. You can connect it to all your favorite apps that you're already connected to before. And you can have it run these like controlling the entire computer type beat things on its own. So it's like, it's like, it's like, and to answer that question, the only thing that I've seen from people who use Openclaw, like myself, again, my entire channel is Openclaw stuff, AI stuff, is that you cannot change the model from Claude to other models. Like if you want to power your Openclaw with a local model, or you want to power your Openclaw with like ChatGPT, or you want to use a different type of whatever, you can't do that with Claude Cowork, obviously. Like, why would they allow you to do that? But my answer to that is, if you want to really change your model to either a cheaper model or a local model, or just like a different model, that's up to you. It's like for Claude, the majority of people using it, unless you're doing something amazingly crazy or you have a really expensive something to run like a local LLM on, it's like you can just change the model to Haiku or to Sonnet or to Opus based on what you're doing. You don't need to like, you don't need a local model Quen 3.5B, blah, 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 to do all that stuff. The tank is green again. And you don't need it. It's like just not something that you need to be doing. Just change the model to Haiku if you're running some sort of scheduled task, and now you don't need to do Openclaw type beat model configuration, Openclaw gateway restart, like I know we're all used to. And I don't make this in like a, oh man, I wasted money on my Mac Mini way. No, I never think I have no, but I make this in a way that's like, this is what you signed up for, like 2 months ago when I started making Openclaw videos, it was the craziest, coolest thing ever. And it still is. But 2 months have passed, which in the tech field, like crypto or AI, that's like 2 years. Every month is like a year basically in this field. So now if you're one of those people that bought a Mac Mini, it's not a waste of money. It's not a waste of anything. You now have two superpowered things basically. Number one, as local models get better and better and smaller, like you've seen with Alibaba's Quen, you can still run local models on this. Number two, you can still run Openclaw on that Mac Mini, and it has that old Mac Mini to do whatever it is that you're doing, because there are a lot of stuff that you can't do on Claude Cowork. Again, it's not open source. It is a closed source thing. They have lots of regulations and rules and stuff that you're not going to be able to do on that. And with that, you have the ability to change the model that you're running on to a local model or to like ChatGPT's model, whatever it is that you want, but then also continuously run Claude Cowork on that. Just put Claude Cowork on that thing, on that Mac Mini, and just use that alongside your Openclaw. So you technically have a Claude powered 90% there Openclaw running on there, in addition to a 100% Openclaw running on whatever model you want to run that on. So you have two different agents running in there doing stuff that you want to do, in addition to the local model that's doing whatever it is that you want to do. So yeah, I make this video mostly just to yap that, like, if you're still looking to get an Openclaw, I don't think you should. I really don't think you should, unless, like I said, you're doing something crazy and you want to run a local model, or you want to do something that, like, Claude Cowork will never let you do because of legal stuff, or it might be on like a gray area type B thing. Then for sure, buy the cheapest Mac Mini possible and run that Openclaw and have fun with that. And watch my videos. Again, I'm still running 2 Openclaws. I don't think I'm not going to stop and like convert it. But I just think for like 90% of people, Claude Cowork at this point can do 90% of the things that you're going to want to do. And then imagine in a month from now, as it gets better and better, like just today, they launched iMessage. So that alone is like a huge thing. I'm going to set that up right after this video and make a video on how to do that. And it's like, you're getting all the same stuff, but like for $20 a month in a much easier fashion by the Anthropic team, and like knowing that it's going to get better and better as the months go by. So yeah, that's what I think. Do what you want, of course. This is from somebody that uses Openclaw like every single day. No joke. I have 2 of them, and I've been making videos on this for forever. I make this as like, we're evolving with the times. Like before, my recommendation is that, get an Openclaw and have fun with it. But now it's like, you don't really need to. Just like use Claude Cowork. It's going to do 90% of the same things. And if you get to that bottleneck point where you're like, this can't do this, I need to do this, then you're like, okay, I need to upgrade to actual Openclaw and I need to do crazy stuff. But yeah, thank you.